A very good morning to all my dear students. Myself Shubhajit Bose is your computer teacher. Please take good care of yourself from this extreme cold weather. Today I'm going to explain a new chapter in computer science, that is chapter number 9, cloud computing. Be very attentive during the explanation of the chapter. Chapter 9, cloud computing. Firstly, I'm going you to tell the meaning of the heading of the chapter, that is cloud computing. What is cloud? That is data storage. And what is computing? The use or operation of computers. Again, what is cloud? Where we can store anything, they are called as cloud. And what is computing? Any operations that can be done with the help of computers, they are called as computing. Now we move to paragraph number 1. Cloud is something that is present at a remote location. So they told that cloud is present where? Far away. Cloud can provide services over the network, that is either on the public networks or on private networks, that is WAN or LAN. So they told that cloud can provide various services with the help of network. These services are either public networks or private networks. What is public networks? That can be used by all the users, that can be accessed by all the users, they are called as public networks. What are private networks? That is restricted by the limited users, they are called as private networks, that is WAN or LAN. What is WAN? That is a wide area network. And what is LAN? That is a local area network. Cloud is defined as a set of hardware, networks, storage, interface, and services combined together to deliver different aspects of computing as a service over a network or internet. So they told that cloud can be defined with the help of hardware. What is hardware? Anything that can be touched, they are called as hardware. So again they told that what? Cloud can be defined with the help of networks. What is networks? They are the internet. Next thing is what? Storage. What is storage? Anything anywhere we can store something, they are called as storage. Now interface and services. What is the meaning of interface and services? Establish a physical connection between two computer system. When we combined all these things, what are those things? They are the hardware, network, storage, and interface. When we combined all these things, we can able to assess what? Computing with the help of network or internet. All you need is an adequate featured device that allows you to connect to the cloud. So when we need cloud computing, so we need a proper yet suitable devices. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management, CRM, all run in clouds. So there are various types of application. Which are those? Number one is email. Number second is web conferencing. What is web conferencing? That is online meeting. Number third is CRM, that is a customer relationship management. What is CRM? Is a software system used to build and manage customer relationship. So all these applications are run with the help of cloud. Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox as us cloud storage, Norton online backup, etc. are some of the common examples of free or low cost online storage for the users. So they told that they are some of the examples of cloud computing. Which are the examples? They are the Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox as us cloud storage, Norton online backup. These are all the examples of cloud computing. Okay, so we can able to use this either free or you can pay a very less cost for it. Thus, as an individual users, most of us are already use cloud services. So any individual users, those who are using network or internet, all are using what? Cloud services. For examples, in Facebook, you upload your photos, maintain albums, update status, etc. in real time, and these can be seen by your friends almost instantly. So they will provide one example, that is Facebook. We are already familiar with it. That is your online social network. So with the help of Facebook, we can able to upload what? Our photos. We can maintain albums. What are albums? In a single platform, you are saving so many pictures. They are called as maintaining albums. Or you can update your status. Okay, all these things can be stored where? Your cloud computing. Okay, and all these things your friends can be seen immediately. So these are the examples of what? Cloud computing. Do you still follow the traditional way of attaching photos in an email and sending them to your friends? No, that is the power of a cloud computing. Nowadays we are not follow the traditional way to save your photos in our hardware. We save our things where? Online, where? That is a cloud. You do not need a local storage or operating device. Once you upload a photo, it stays there forever. So once you upload your anything in your cloud computing, it stays there forever or your lifetime. It does not matter if you delete it from your camera or phone, it simply stays in the cloud. So it doesn't mean if you delete your thing from your personal gadgets, that is phone or mobiles, everything is saved where? In your cloud computing. If you save your things where? In the cloud. Cloud computing is made up of two words, cloud and computing. Now they told that cloud computing is made up how many words? Two words. Which are those? The first one is your cloud and the next one is your computing. Cloud is a metaphor for the internet. Cloud is what? Metaphor. What is metaphor? That describes an object. Hence means computing on the internet. And what is computing? Anything that can be operated with the help of computers or in the form of internet or network, they are called as computing. Thus, cloud computing refers to manipulating. So they told that cloud computers means manipulating. What is manipulating? The process of adjusting data or configuring. What is configuring? That is arrange. Now, assessing. What is assessing? Able to use applications online. So they told that cloud computing refers manipulating, that is adjusting data, you're configuring, that is arranging, you're assessing, you can use online. Okay, it offers online data storage infrastructures and applications. So cloud computing offers what? Data storage, your structure of your objects. Okay, so moral of the thing, that what is cloud computing? Anything that can be stored online, they are called as cloud computing. Okay, now we move to the next topic, that is the characteristics of cloud computing. So what is characteristics? They are the features. We are talking about the features of cloud computing. The first features is what? That is on demand self service. In cloud computing, multiple clients can share the resources and applications at the same time. So they told that in cloud computing, multiple clients, that is multiple customers, can share the same thing in a particular in a same time. These cloud services and resources can be used on demand and often bought on a subscription basis without human interaction with the service providers. To understand in a better way, you buy cloud services the same way as you buy telephone services or internet access from a utility company and pay from them as per the users. So they told that the first characteristics is that you are using the services of what? Cloud computing. When you use any services, so you have to pay for it. So that is the first characteristics. Whatever the services you're using the cloud computing, it's either free or you have to pay for it. The second one is that broad network access. Now we are talking about the second characteristics. Cloud computing simply means that the services can be accessed on the internet anytime and anywhere in the world through multiple devices such as mobile phone, tablets, laptops, etc. So they told that the second characteristics, that cloud computing can be accessed anywhere, anytime in the world with the help of various devices. Okay, which are those? They are the mobile phones or tablets or laptops. So in the second characteristics, what they are telling, that you can use cloud computing anywhere, anytime in the world with the help of adequate devices. Which are those? They are the mobile phone, tablets and the laptops. Now we're talking about the third characteristics, that is a resource pooling. Okay, what is pooling? That is an act of sharing. Here, what is the meaning of pooling? That is an act of sharing. The resources like virtual server space, network connection, bandwidth, etc. are pooled by multiple users simultaneously from any location without being interfered by the other users. So they told that there are so many resources. For example, virtual service space. What is virtual service space? A server that share both hardware and software resources. What is network connection? That is internet connection. What is bandwidth? That is a data transfer rate. All these resources, if all these resources are used by multiple users in any of the locations, these services are not interfered by the other users. Okay, any users can use, can access any of the services that can not interfere by the other users. Okay, that can be not there's no interference by any users. Okay, that is your third characteristics. Now we move to the fourth characteristics, that is a rapid elasticity. What is rapid? Rapid means quick, you're fast. And what is elasticity? That is flexibility. Okay, sometimes consumer requires additional resources in a small period of time. In such a scenario, cloud computing is a solution, as it is enabled with the elasticity features. This allows consumers to transparently scale up, increase or scale down, decrease the resources according to their computing needs. So this is your third characteristics. This is your fourth characteristics, that is a rapid elasticity. It means if you're using the cloud computing, whichever the services you're using most, so the cloud computing automatically increase that service, and whichever the service you're using very less on, you are not using that services, so they easily reduce that services. So that is also the characteristics of the cloud computing. Here, what is the rapid elasticity means? That whichever the users are using the services at most, or they're using maximum, that services automatically increase by the cloud computing, and whichever the services the user using less, that services should or reduced by the cloud computing. Now we move to the last characteristics of the cloud computing, that is a measured service. Cloud computing is based on the pay for what you use model, where resources used in monitored, measured and reported transparently based on utilization. So the last characteristics is that whichever the services you are using, you have to pay for that services. That is your last characteristics. So your today's homework is that read chapter 9 by your own till it is explained as of now. So you have to read from page number 87 till 88 till here. Okay, this is, so hope you have understand that much, and your homework you can understand that whatever I read it today and whatever I explained it today, you have to read it by your own. That's all for today. Thank you, students.